After perimeter walls and supports have been defined, it is time to add additional walls to the lower level of the building. First, orient the view cube to Home. Then, click the View icon to display the View dialog. From here, you can specify the plane from which you want to view the structure. Select 2D as the view, and YZ as the work plane. If not already selected, expand the selection list and select 4.5 meters as the structural axis. Click Close. In the drawing area, zoom in. Next, from the text menu, select Geometry, Objects, Polyline Contour. From this dialog, you can define various line types, either broken or contour. Now, in the drawing area, pick to draw a basement wall with a door opening. Pick consecutive corners in a sequence. To close a polyline, indicate the first corner for a second time. The polyline in this example has the following corners, in a clockwise sequence, where the x is unchanged and is not listed, as it is set to 4.5. 0, negative 2.1, 3.4, negative 2.1, 3.4, 0, 4.4, 0, 4.4, negative 2.1, 6.5, negative 2.1, 6.5.2, 0, and 0.2. Back in the Polyline Contour dialog, click Close. To convert the polyline into panels, from the text menu, select Geometry, Panels. In the Contour Type group, ensure Panel is selected. In the Properties group, first expand the Reinforcement dropdown and select RC Wall. Next, expand the Thickness dropdown and select TH200. With the properties configured, it's time to select the content to which they apply. In the Creation With group, enable Object List, and then click within the Object List field. Now, in the drawing area, select the polyline. Back in the Panel dialog, the Object List updates. Click Add. The drawing area updates with the panel. Click Close. Now that it has been defined, the wall needs supports. From the toolbar, select Supports. The Supports dialog displays. Open the Linear tab. With Fixed selected, click within the current selection field. And in the drawing area, select a bottom edge of the panel. An Object Selection dialog displays. Select the correct contour and then click OK. Click the remaining bottom edge, and again, from the Object Selection dialog, select the appropriate contour. Click OK. Now, in the Supports dialog, the current selection updates to reflect the bottom contours of the panel. Click Apply, and then click Close. A support displays in the drawing area. At this point, the new wall needs to be copied to the other side of the elevator shaft. To replicate the wall, first change the view to the projection view. From the View cube, click Home. The view updates. In the drawing area, select the wall with the door opening. Then, from the text menu, select Edit, Edit, Move, Copy. The translation dialog displays. In the drawing area, select the axis labeled 3. The wall is copied. From the translation dialog, click Close. Defining polyline contours is useful when creating walls with door openings.